Guys, do you want to know how to reset a service light on a 2023 Polo? I'll show you. Engine off, ignition on. Dead easy. So you should see that form dash, right? And you've got to go left button here, and then you'll see that menu. So it is the only one with a slash in it. So this is the best way for me to describe it. The only one with a slash in it. It's a distance slash time. And then again, over there. So it should say since start, right? And then press and hold the right hand button down for about sort of 10 seconds. Then when it's done, let go of the button. Takes you into the service menu. So that tells you how long it's got. That you can reset the oil service. So go down to that, press OK, OK. That's reset. Then it'll take you back into the menu. Just leave it for a second, it'll go back in. Down arrow to reset inspection. OK buttons again. Inspection reset. Let it do its thing. And then all the way down to the bottom where it says close. But straight back to the main menu. That's how easy that is, guys. Same with the Mark 8 Golf and same with the Mark 3 Tiguan. Hope this helps. If you need any more, guys, let us know, and I'll certainly do them more for you. So if these are going to become of use, share it about. People might need to know this. Again, it's going to work for the same for the Mark 8 Golf and also the Mark 3 Tiguan. So have a good one, guys. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.